I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll try to understand few patterns with squares of numbers. Let me begin with numbers like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. Now when we say 1 square, it really means we could make a square of 1 times 1, 2 square is like 2 times 2, 3 square is 3 times 3 and 4 square is 4 times 4. To give you a visual look of what this really means is, we can consider just one number here. That means a square which has got one, let's say, marble here, right? 2 square really means that we could have 2 rows and columns. So that becomes a 2 square, right? 2 square, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 square really means that we could have 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So that makes it 3 squares, and following the pattern these numbers give us 4 squares, right? So we have 4 squares here, 4 times 4, 4 rows of 4 columns each, right? So that is, imagine that you have marbles placed there. So number of these marbles will represent 1 square, which is 1, 2 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4 square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we know 4 square is 16, right? Now that is how you can actually find square of a number. Now in this particular video I will try to show you how we can form some patterns which can help us understand calculating squares of bigger numbers. So let's think of dividing these squares kind of like this. So I'm just drawing these L shapes, inverted L shapes. Let's see, like this, right? So see what happens. Now I've just drawn these L shapes and we'll count the numbers. So here we can say 1 square is just this number 1, and 2 square is 1 plus 1, 2, 3, right? Now in this case we have 3 square, which is 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. And here 4 square could be written as 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what should be the next number? 1, 3, 5, 7. So I hope you get a pattern, right? This pattern we could write as a number sentence. So I'm using a technical word here, number sentence, to represent the pattern. And we say 4 square is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So can you tell me what should be 5 square equals to? Now these patterns really help us to find the numbers very easily with the help of patterns. Now looking at the pattern, you know 5 square should be how much? It should be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, right? So there should be 5 numbers in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 4 square we had 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All odd numbers skip by 1, 1, 3, 5, 7. So 5 square is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. When you add them all, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. Do you see that? So we can have a number sentence to represent square of a number, correct? Now that is a fun exercise for you. You can continue with the exercise and find what is 6 square equals to, 7 square equals to, and so on, right? So keep on adding numbers, you will get your answers. I hope that helps you to understand this topic and to enjoy this chapter on squares of numbers. I'm Anil Kumar. Subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.